Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to another video which is going to help you stay classy, look elevated and help you build your style. So let's go. So in today's video, we are going to talk about do's and don'ts of looking classy and elevated. Now most of us think or assume that looking classy or elevated is all about spending big money, which I do not agree to. Most of us are not aware of the fact that looking classy in fact is about putting the outfit together, using some rules, following some do's and don'ts, and you would look classy at any given budget. Now there's a huge misconception about looking classy, that looking classy means looking professional or spending a lot of money, whereas I believe anybody can look classy and elevated if we are able to follow just certain rules that can help us look elevated at any given point. And I think there is one agenda or one style agenda that we all are looking for. Whenever we step out, we do want to look classy. Now you can achieve the classy look even while you're wearing casual clothes. How? That I'm going to tell you in this video. Let's talk about number one. Wearing too many colors. Although I love wearing color and I think they can just elevate your outfit, but when we pair too many colors together, rather than bringing the outfit up, it can instantly make it look confusing without any focal point. I will tell you what to do. Try this 3-color rule. What it means is that make sure that at any given point that there are 3 colors in your outfit. By this, when you repeat the colors from your own outfit, it just makes it look more cohesive and neat. For example, the one I am wearing, it is white, pink and blue. The white buttons, the white spaghetti and the white heels are making it look more put together. So when you are aiming to look more cohesive, irrespective if you are wearing casuals, formal, make sure that you repeat colors from your own outfit and you stick to 3 colors. Number 2, this is one don't that I would tell you that can actually make or break your classy look. I see a lot of women do not focusing on their hair. Yes, you heard it right. Your hair can make or break the look. Now it's super important that you give attention to your hair. The frizzy hair, the untidy look, the straight out of the bed hair do not work when you want to look classy. I would tell you that make sure that you are giving your hair that extra care that it requires so that it looks smooth and shiny. Make sure that you're working on your frizz control by using serums or sprays, whatever that might work for you. And if you are a girl with curly hair, then I tell you, please follow curly girl regime rather than straightening them up, because this way you will be able to create some fun texture but also embrace your curls. Now I would tell you to do one thing. Go on Pinterest, go on Instagram, or look at anywhere while you're walking. When you look at somebody that you admire or you're liking the complete outfit, you will notice that her hair is looking impeccable, because your hair plays a very important role in creating a complete vibe. Now if you really want to look classy and elevated, I would suggest make sure that your hair is looking neat. Always have a go-to hairstyle. For example, if my hair is oily, I would do a center parting one to look more classy, but making sure that my hair is not looking like a mess. So next time that you want to look classy, make sure your outfit is in place but your hair is looking absolutely neat. Number 3, and this can be your deal breaker, carrying flimsy bags. Now flimsy bags do not give the effect or a feel of an entire classy look. Instead of choosing a flimsy bag with your entire outfit, I would suggest go for a structure bag. Now what is the difference between a flimsy bag or a structure bag? Now a flimsy bag doesn't have any angles, falls flat and just looks like a pouch, whereas a structure bag would have more corners, would have a particular shape so that you look more enhanced. One simple tip to remember when you're looking to look more classy is choose more structure in bag or in your clothes. Remember, the softer the outfit, the softer the silhouette, the less classier you will look. The more structure you can add to your bags, to your clothes or anything, the more neater and classier you will look. So make sure you're choosing the right kind of bag in terms of colors, in terms of the silhouette of the bag, so that you're absolutely looking classy and elevated at all given point. Point number 4, this is a must do when you want to look classy and you don't know what to wear. I would suggest go for a monochromatic outfit. Now monochromatic outfits means wearing one color from top to bottom, and you can choose any color that you like. But I would tell you, the darker the color you wear, the more authoritative and classy you would look. So choosing a full black outfit, including your bag, your footwear, is definite way to look more classy. Now, do not look at this point as a way to escape colors. This is one of the easiest way and is no-brainer. For example, when you are stepping out in a jiffy and you don't know what to wear, how to mix and match the colors, and you do not have enough time to put your energy in this is the best hack. One color top to bottom. Point number 4, and this particular thing can actually make you look classy instantly. That's your posture. Now, a bad posture can make sure that your entire outfit doesn't look tidy. When I talk about the right posture, I mean your shoulders rolled back and your back being absolutely straight while you are sitting or standing. Not only it ends up making you look flimsy, but it also makes sure that your outfit doesn't look neat. Imagine standing with your stomach out and shoulders slouched, your outfit would not sit on you correctly. So make sure while you're standing or you're sitting, your shoulders are always rolled back and your back is absolutely straight. So when you walk, there is elegance. When you walk, there is classiness. Now remember, looking classy is not everybody's objective. However, when you're trying to do so, you can easily follow these tips. Also, like I always say, these are just guidelines. You can create your own looks. You can also find out more ways of how you can look classy and elevated, which I can do in the coming videos. So make sure to comment in the section if you want a part 2. Make sure to like this video and share it with all your friends, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and bell icon for more such amazing videos. This is Ishita Saluja, your styling partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.